Lesson: Best practices for implementing and scaling RPA initiatives. Robotic process automation has emerged as a pivotal component in the modern automation landscape, offering the potential to streamline operations, reduce costs, and enhance efficiency across various industries. Implementing and scaling RPA initiatives, however, require a strategic approach to maximize these benefits while minimizing potential pitfalls. This lesson delves into the best practices for implementing and scaling RPA initiatives, providing actionable insights, practical tools, and frameworks that can be directly applied by professionals in the field. The initial step in a successful RPA implementation is identifying and selecting the right processes for automation. These processes should be rule-based, repetitive, and high volume, making them ideal candidates for automation. It is crucial to conduct a thorough process analysis to ensure that the selected processes align with business objectives and offer a substantial return on investment. Tools such as process mining software can be instrumental in this phase, enabling organizations to map out current workflows, identify bottlenecks, and quantify potential gains from automation. Once suitable processes have been identified, establishing a robust governance framework is essential. This framework should define the roles and responsibilities involved in the RPA initiative, including the formation of a cross-functional RPA team comprising IT professionals, business analysts, and process owners. This team is responsible for overseeing the RPA lifecycle, from design and development to deployment and maintenance. A well-structured governance model ensures that RPA initiatives are aligned with organizational goals, compliance standards, and risk management policies. Developing a comprehensive RPA strategy is another vital component of successful implementation. This strategy should outline clear objectives, timelines, and performance metrics to measure the success of the RPA initiative. Leveraging frameworks such as the RPA maturity model can provide valuable guidance in assessing the organization's readiness and maturity level for RPA adoption. The model outlines stages of maturity from initial experimentation to enterprise-wide integration, helping organizations identify gaps and prioritize areas for improvement. An incremental approach to RPA deployment is recommended, starting with pilot projects that allow organizations to test the waters and refine their strategies. These pilot projects should focus on processes with a high potential for success and minimal risk. The insights gained from these initial projects can inform larger-scale deployments, ensuring that any issues are addressed before expanding RPA across the organization. This phased approach not only minimizes risk, but also facilitates stakeholder buy-in by demonstrating tangible benefits early on. As RPA initiatives scale, maintaining a strong focus on change management is critical. Resistance to change is a common challenge in automation projects, and proactive change management strategies can help mitigate this issue. Engaging stakeholders throughout the RPA journey, communicating the benefits of automation, and providing training and support are essential components of effective change management. Incorporating feedback loops and continuous improvement mechanisms can further enhance stakeholder engagement and ensure that RPA solutions remain aligned with evolving business needs. Scalability is a key consideration in RPA initiatives, requiring organizations to build a scalable infrastructure that can support increased volumes of automated processes. Cloud-based RPA solutions offer a flexible and cost-effective option for scaling automation efforts, providing the necessary computing power and storage capacity to accommodate growth. Additionally, leveraging advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning can enhance RPA capabilities, enabling the automation of more complex processes and facilitating intelligent decision-making. Monitoring and measuring the performance of RPA solutions is essential to ensure their continued effectiveness and alignment with business objectives. Key performance indicators such as process cycle time, error rates, and cost savings should be tracked and analyzed to assess the impact of automation initiatives. Tools such as RPA analytics platforms can provide real-time insights into process performance, enabling organizations to identify areas for optimization and drive continuous improvement. In addressing real-world challenges, organizations must also consider the potential risks associated with RPA, such as data security and privacy concerns. Implementing robust security protocols and ensuring compliance with relevant regulations are critical to safeguarding sensitive information and maintaining trust. Regular audits and risk assessments can help identify vulnerabilities and ensure that RPA solutions adhere to the highest security standards. A case study that exemplifies successful RPA implementation and scaling is that of a leading global bank that sought to improve its operational efficiency and reduce costs. By identifying high-volume, repetitive processes in its back-office operations, the bank deployed RPA to automate tasks such as data entry, transaction processing, and customer service inquiries. The implementation of a strong governance framework and a phased deployment approach enabled the bank to achieve significant cost savings and productivity gains while maintaining compliance with regulatory requirements. The bank's use of advanced analytics to monitor and optimize RPA performance further contributed to the initiative's success, highlighting the importance of data-driven decision-making in scaling RPA efforts. In conclusion, implementing and scaling RPA initiatives necessitate a strategic and methodical approach, underpinned by best practices and practical tools. By selecting the right processes for automation, establishing a robust governance framework, and developing a comprehensive RPA strategy, organizations can effectively harness the power of automation to drive operational excellence. An incremental deployment approach, coupled with strong change management and scalability considerations, ensures that RPA initiatives deliver sustainable value and remain aligned with business objectives. Ultimately, by embracing continuous improvement and leveraging advanced technologies, organizations can unlock the full potential of RPA and position themselves for success in an increasingly automated world.